Assalamu alaikum. Let's take more exercises about the inflection points and concavity and monotonicity, which is the extrema, which is the local minimum or local maximum about the graph of any function. Let me solve the example with you to revise what we studied about this topic, which is f of x equals x power of 3 minus 15x power of 2 plus 33x plus 100. First of all, you have to find f dash of x to discuss the monotonicity of the function, or to discuss the local minimum or maximum points. So from f dash, which is first derivative, because f dash means the slope. So the slope, if the slope is positive, the function during this period is increasing. If the slope is negative, it will be decreasing. If the slope is 0, then the straight line touches the parabola. The curve at this point will be parallel to x-axis, okay? Find f dash of x, which is 3x power of 2 minus 30x plus 33. Make it equal 0 to find the maximum or minimum. So f dash of x equals 0 when 3x squared minus 30x plus 33 equals 0. Divide by 3, it will be x squared minus 10x plus 11 equals 0. So factorize it x minus 1 and x minus 11 to get the critical numbers. X equals 1 is a critical number, and x equals 11 is also a critical number. It's okay? If you grab the line to discuss this one, or make the table as you like, you will find when x equals 1, it will be critical number, or when x equals 11, it will be critical number. Find f dash of any point before and after 1. F dash of 0, it will be 33. Okay? 33 is positive, so it will be increased before this number. And f dash of, this is 11, sorry, this is 11. F dash of 2, it will be 3 times 4, 12, 12, minus 3 times 2, 60, plus 33, it is negative. So negative means it is negative number. 12, 30, 45, negative 15. It will be negative. So this point is maximum. Because before the number, the slope, or f dash, positive and negative, it makes the function increasing and decreasing. This point is a maximum, local maximum. What about this number? Find a number after 11, which is 12, for example. Okay, 3 times 144 minus 30 times 12, which is 360, plus 33. Let me use the calculator to calculate it. 3 times 12 power of 2 minus 30 times 12 plus 33, it will be positive. So f dash of 12 equals 39, it's positive. Okay? So this point is local minimum, because decreased and increased and decreased, so the point is local maximum. Decrease, then increase the point local minimum. It's okay? Okay. We can find this point to graph that, or the sketch the graph. Second step is to find f double dash of x to discuss the concavity and to find the point of inflection. F double dash of x, make it second derivative, find second derivative of this one. It will be 3 times 2, 6x minus 30. So make it equal 0, then 6x minus 30 equals 0. then x equals 5. F of 5, to find the point of inflection or inflection point, you have to find the point from the original, which is f of 5 equals 5 power of 3, which is 125, minus 15 times 25, 15 times 25 equals 337, or 75, sorry, plus 33 times 12, 33 times 12 will be 33 times 12 equals 396 plus 100. It will be, this is 3 times 25. 3 times 25. Revise it. Not 3. No. 525. 125 minus 15 times 25 plus 33 times 5 plus 100 from the original one. It will be, again, it will be 15. So the inflection point will be 5 and 15. Okay? After substituting in the original one. So find any number, f double dash of any number before 5, which is 0. It will be negative 30. And any number after 5, which is 6. 6 times 6, it will be positive 6. So the function will be, okay, at x equals 1 and x equals 11, it will be maximum and minimum. Okay, and the inflection point at 5. So this point, this function will be concave up. Okay, this is 5. It's concave, it's negative, so concave down and concave up. It's okay. I'll give you another example. F of x equals x power of 4 plus 8x power of 3 minus 72x squared plus 4. Okay, let me solve this example with you, and we are going to try to sketch the graph of this one. F of x equals x power of 4. To discuss the monotonicity and the concavity and the inflection point, find the first derivative of the function, which is 4x power of 3 plus 24x power of 2 minus 144x. Okay, make it equal 0 to find the maximum and minimum points. So 4x power of 3 plus 24x squared minus 144 equal 44x equal 0. Divided by 4 will be x power of 3 plus 6x power of 2 minus 114 by 4 equals 36. X equals 0. You take x common, so x squared plus 6x minus 36 equals 0. Okay, then x equals 0 or x equals, we can factorize this one. We can make it by formula or by using mod 53. So by using the calculator, x will be negative 9.7. So x equals 0, the first. And x equals 3.708. Okay. To find the inflection, so you have to find these points 0, negative 9.7 and 3.7, and we need to know what of these points is local minimum or local maximum. And you already took this in the previous example, and you can check these numbers by using number less than negative 9.7 and one number more, and one number before 0 and after, and one number before 3.7 and after, okay, to find the critical numbers and or critical points and local minimum and local maximum. So to find this one, revise the previous example. So the second derivative to find the concavity and inflection point, f double dash of x will be 12x squared plus 48x minus 144. Make it equal 0, and 12x squared plus 48x minus 144 equals 0, divided by 12 will be x squared plus 4x minus 12 equals 0. You can factorize it, x plus 6 and x minus 2 to get the values of x at the inflection points. So x equals negative 6 and x equals 2. And also you can substitute in the original function. Don't substitute in f dash or f double dash to find any point on the graph. If you substitute in f dash, then you find the direction of the slope of the line, increasing or decreasing, monotonicity, local minimum, local maximum. And if you substitute in f double dash, you substitute to find the concavity, either concave up or concave down. So you have x equals negative 6 at the inflection point, and x equals 2 and the inflection point. First, you have to substitute in the original one to find the point, substitute in the original one to find the other inflection point, and check if the period before these points is concave up or concave down by using the rules that I gave you in the previous example. It's okay? Okay, thank you very much. And if you have any questions, just send a message to me. Okay? Assalamu alaikum.